right, so special thanks to this company here who was nice enough to send us this power strip. So as you can see, this is the little bag that it comes in, integrated copper strip, the flame retardant material, multi-protection safety system, wide voltage range. Ours is US rated power. So let's get in here, and we have the power strip. They even include a wall mount template. Thank you. I love that. A little instruction guide, if you will. 2 screws to actually wall mount it. Thank you again. Love that. Some Velcro cable ties with their logo on them. Love it, love it. And then lastly, this is the actual power strip. So it has the flat curved plug. So this would be very good for plugging into the wall, like behind a couch. With it being flat, it's not gonna cause an issue. And it has a really nice long cable here. And of course, you have the ability to plug in 4 devices, as well as 2 USB ports to charge those items up. And that is just about it. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me to unbox and show you what comes in here. Perfect power strip, plug in up to 6 devices if you're including the 2 USB ports. So that'll do it for this one. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.